Disclaimer: this material is for informational purposes only and is not a call to action. Trading always involves risks, and access to my robot and my VIP channel is only granted if all these rules are followed. But remember, I always show you the plain truth about the results I achieve through my trading. So hello everyone, long time no see. I'm glad to welcome each of you to my channel. Thank you to every viewer who supports my content, who watches my videos, and who, thanks to my videos, manages to achieve results. That's really awesome. It means that the content I create for you is truly useful. So, in today's video, I'll be trading on this broker. At the same time, I'll be working with several assets. These will be the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, over-the-counter quotes, and the Australian dollar/Canadian dollar pair, which is also over-the-counter. So, I'll be using this trading robot, which is completely free. This trading robot will provide me with signals for the currency pairs I choose, and for the time frames that are most comfortable for me to trade. This robot is free and operates 24 hours a day. The link to this robot will be in the description below this video, so if you want to use it and get signals to trade with, you're more than welcome. This robot is free and available to any viewer. So let's check how it will provide me with signals today, and whether I can make a small profit to my balance using its signals. So, we choose the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. Right? Okay, 1 second. Let's see what we've got here. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now let's open this asset on our trading robot. We select 1 minute, and the trading robot tells me I need to open a buy trade for 1 minute. I immediately follow the trading robot's advice and open the trade right away, because the current signal is valid for 5 seconds. The accuracy of this signal that it provided me is 90%. The trading robot gave this percentage based on the market analysis it performed for me at the moment I requested it. So now, while this trade is in progress, let's analyze together what's happening here. Let's at least take a look at the current support zone, where the price was actually broken through, after which the price went down. At the same time, we can see that the reversal happened at a level that used to be resistance in the past, but now serves as support. After that, the price reversed, and possibly, it may now start to recover its upward trajectory in the current uptrend. That's it. The trade is already coming to an end, and we can see that thanks to the signal, I made $460 in net profit. And I earned this literally in just 1 minute, using the signal from this free tool that I trade with. I use it in every single video, and I want to tell you that I have no intention of making you buy it. My goal is simply to use my informative content, which I create for you, to show you what I use, how I work, what I do, and what the main stages and elements of trading are in my work. You can try it out. You can try it without risking any money. Just use a demo account. But the most important thing is that I want as many people as possible to learn and understand trading from a different perspective, that there are good tools out there that really can help. For example, this absolutely free trading robot helps me. A tool that gives me buy or sell signals depending on the price position and the moment I make the request. So, I just follow the trades it tells me to make, and I earn money. But that's just my experience. So if you want to try trading with this tool and get some useful information from it, just follow the link and activate the robot. As I mentioned earlier, it's completely free and available on absolutely any device, whether it's a phone, tablet, laptop, or computer, it doesn't matter. You can activate it on whichever device you prefer. And now, I think we'll move on to the next asset. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Alright, so what will the trading robot tell me about this currency pair? I select the 1 minute time frame and see that I need to open a sell trade. I immediately open the sell trade. The trading robot analyzed the situation specifically for me, based solely on the parameters I selected, and at the exact moment I made that choice. Accordingly, I understand that the accuracy of this signal it's giving me is 94%, based on the analysis it performed. Now, while the trade is in progress, I still want to double check this information and look at my own technical analysis, since I've been making money from trading for a long time and I have experience doing technical analysis. So, here we have a resistance zone. There's an upward price movement here, and after a downward trend, a historical peak is formed, after which this very drop happens. Accordingly, we can also see that, in addition to everything else, there's a breakout of the zone, after which this decline for selling started. But now we see that, in the end, the price closed at a loss. What does this mean? It means that, as I said before, I always show you only the plain truth, because truth is the most important thing when you're in the public eye, when you're showing your reality. Unfortunately, we closed out almost at the end of our trade. But that's okay. Let's request signals from another robot and see what happens here. Alright, let's select 1 minute, and I see that now the trading robot says, we need to open a buy trade. I do everything the moment the trading robot tells me to, and I see here that the price drops sharply, so I'm going to make another buy trade, because my goal here is to make a profit. I saw that there was just a pullback right at my entry point, so I played it safe and opened another trade a bit higher. But the most important goal is for my trade to close above this entry point so that I make a profit. The accuracy of this signal is 93%. As I mentioned earlier, I only show you real trading and real results because I have no desire or reason to push anything on you that would simply increase your risks. My goal, through the content you're watching, is to help you minimize those risks, because trading is, well, not exactly an easy profession. It's actually quite risky. But on my end, I want to help you reduce those risks a little. As you may have noticed, I made a profit on all the assets. Accordingly, I understand that the trading robot has now given me the right signal, and I can forget about that loss because I earned much more than what I lost. That's because the market situation changed, and it was necessary to react to it in time. This is what I've told you before and will keep telling you. Keep this in mind when you're trading. You always need to stay flexible, and, just as importantly, you should trade with a cool head, because your excitement and impulsiveness can lead you to lose your entire deposit. Your goal isn't to lose your deposit, but rather to grow it. With that, we'll say goodbye. I wish you a great day, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.